Number 38 on page 449 is another example of triangulation like we have with law of sines. Here we can see a surveyor. His name's Tony, and he must find the distance from A to B. So he locates a point C that is he knows to be 860 feet from A and 175 feet from B. Now he can measure the angle that he makes there between those 2 points to be 78 degrees. So we need to find the distance AB, which is side C. And again, if you notice, we have a side angle side situation, so we'll be using the law of cosines. So the length of AB squared is going to be A squared plus B squared minus 2AB times the cosine of angle C. So we get that the length of AB squared is going to equal 860 squared plus 175 squared minus 2 times 860 times 175 times the cosine of 78 degrees. So AB squared is going to equal 70,700. I'm sorry. Off by a digit there. 0.6 square feet. So AB is going to be the square root of that. So AB, the length of AB, is going to be 841.2 feet.